Alright, so I'm going to be doing my teach-it video on number 7, and in order to find the number that Mr. Alberto could use to determine the student's grade if he used his grading scale, first you have to figure out what each number is and how it contributes to the student's final grade. So 60% of the student's final grade is on the term paper, and if they scored an 85, you would take 0.6%, which equals 60%, times 85, and that equals 51. And then you do that for the rest. So the next one, the homework, is worth 25%, so that would be 0.25, and then they got a 78 on it. So you multiply that by 78, and you get 19.5. Then the last one is the final exam, which is 15%. And how I got 15% is if everything adds up to 100, which it's supposed to be, you do 100% minus 60% plus 25%. And if you do that, you will get 15%, which is how I got 15% is left for the final exam. And if they got a 90 on the final exam, you would multiply that, which is 13.5. So now that we have all the numbers up, now you add all of these numbers together, which is 84. Therefore, the grade that Mr. Alberto would use for the student's grade using his current grading scheme is 84. And that was part A. Now if we do part B, we have to write an algebraic expression to go with what we found out. So let x be the percent the term paper is worth, and I'm just going to abbreviate that as TP, and then let y be the percent the homework is worth. And then we don't know FE, which is the final exam, so we won't have anything for that. So then you have to look at what it took you to calculate the student's final grade, which we did all of that work, and then you're going to substitute the variables into an expression used in the calculations to determine a general expression. So if you have x%, which is of the term paper, add that to y% of the homework, and then you'll add that, and then you do 100, because 100 is the 100%. That's what 60 plus 25 plus 15 is. That's 100%. Then you're going to subtract 100 from x plus y, and then you're going to multiply that by the percent of the final exam. And that's your general expression. So there is part A and part B.